Okay, we're going into the Paradigm factory. Hi, welcome back to the channel. We're here today at the Alliance factory while our Valor 36V11 gets repaired, and we're getting shown around the Paradigm section of the production facilities. And wow, it is so worth coming and having a look to just see exactly how they make your unit. And not only that, but you know, just to pick up on how they make it and what they do to improve the product as they go. Chandler is taking us around and giving us lots of really useful information.
Lift it up there, you'll have the two guys go up on a beam or on ladders, bolt it into place, and you'll be good there. If you go to other manufacturers, go through their tour, you'll actually see 4 guys holding the cap up in place, and then the 2 guys hop up on ladders next to it, clamp it in. It's not good for the workers, they're stressed, and it's not good for the cap. You can see there that batten insulation, the radiant foil and everything's running over the cap, but that's going to go the entire length of the roof for all of that.
Yeah, it's so cool to be able to actually come and see how your RV is made, and stick with the video. We'll show you exactly how they do it. Okay, and obviously we're going to start with the frames.
It's a little different on this side. Well, that's the chassis over right there. So it's going to take that chassis, flip it upside down, install the underbelly, the tanks, and everything. It's a lot easier to do that for the workers on their back all day.
Yeah, so this is where the chassis comes in, and then this is where they install the tanks. They flip her over and put all the wiring in and all the rest of it. You can see here how it's upside down. So this is quite a cool feature. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 metal strap bars across that support the weight of the tank. We had a what was it? It was a Heartland
Cyclone where the tank
literally,
it was old,
yeah, but it fell out. Literally.
Yeah. Well, that is probably never going to fall out.
No, I wouldn't have thought so.
That's reassuring.
So once they've flipped her upside down and done all the other items, then they bring her over here. Tanks are now in, and they're starting on the
so at this point, this is
wiring,
after the underbelly is installed. That's what this like aluminum.
Well, I'll let Chandler explain exactly what's going on here.
We're going to start to install the other tanks. So what you got to see at that other part is we actually build our tanks into the frame, so you can see through the little gaps on either side that there's those little metal bars underneath. So typically other manufacturers, they'll just have this hurricane strap underneath, which that's why you hear a lot of people, their tanks falling out when they're driving with them full.
Our Cyclone does that.
Yeah. So we don't recommend you carry it full, but 3/4 full you'd be fine. People carry it full all the time and they're completely fine with it. But again, it's all
It's hard to imagine that falling. If it actually supports it both sides. And with that, it's got like 4
other beams under it.
So what I've noticed now is that all the wiring is not so much in a loom, but there has been an effort made to strap it all up and support it. On our Valor, when I first got it, we had a water leak, and it was a complete dog's breakfast under there. There was nothing strapped, or so. The point I'm trying to make is that you've obviously realised that you need to
fasten
it and we get it. 2021 was an extraordinary year, and it is what it is. And I just spent an hour and I just strapped it all open. Yeah.
Well, good. I'm glad you were able
but that's the point I'm trying to make, is that you've seen the ill of your ways, and you're actually yeah.
That customer feedback, you weren't the only one to have said that.
So this is the floor system.
So this is the only difference from the Paradigm Tour versus the Valor. So the Paradigm, this is going to be one solid piece. The Valor, obviously, you have the garage, so it's going to be different. It's going to be wood. It's going to be that Vixen composite. So that's going to be the only difference you see. But how it's made is you're going to have a 4-inch aluminum frame that's going to be on there. Then you'll have the batten insulation, which is the cloud looking stuff. And then you'll have the 5 composite, which helps eliminate any delamination cases just because water can't adhere to it. So without the water, can't be any delamination. We do that on the inner wall as well as on the outer wall. So that way, if water gets on the inside from the moisture, you're still not having that delam. So a lot of other manufacturers will have that Luan wood in there, and that's what leads to that delamination. The nice thing about Asval, you get twice the insulation right next door to the avenue, and then we're building our mega plant, which is going to be twice the size of this one, which is going to be strictly for our travel trip.
Oh, so this is the young lady that does it. She puts them on. There we go. Clean it up first, and then, as you can see now, they've got the sides on. All the apertures are all cut out, ready to accept the slides on the windows. These are the slides all ready to go in. And here's a unit just ready to accept its slides. And as you can see, I've already got the kitchen in. All right, let's just carry on and see the finished product. Yeah. So how do you actually put the slides in?
Yeah, so they'll take like a forklift or something and lift it up.
Oh, and then just physically just lift it in with a fork truck. Yeah.
It's kind of like a tray.
Yes.
It just fits in and slides in. So.
Cool. All right, carry on with the tour.
So the one right up here is going to be the full body paint. You can tell by the front cap. The smaller one is going to be a 310. So.
Yeah, I'm going to say you guys have got the 310, eh?
I don't want much bigger. That'll ruin the relationship.
And this is the new black full body paint that they're starting to do.
Oh,
This is
look
the
at
second one
that.
done. So it looks really, really cool.
Doesn't that look so cool? Just look at this with the full body paint. That is striking. Absolutely gorgeous. They're actually going to let us go in.
Yeah. Hop in.
Can I?
Here, we'll get out of your guys' way.
Oh, that's hey, no, we should be
show you all the
we should be getting out of your way.
You're fine, you're fine.
Oh man, sold. This is fantastic. Oh, I do like this, man. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to do a seat test just there. No, that's my chair. Yeah? Do you like the decor?
I do, yeah. It's more of an oaky look.
Yeah.
So now this is kind of our reminiscence of our 2024s with the couches.
Yeah.
That's something that was supposed to be in the 2023s, so that's why it's finally here now, just from supply chain shortage.
Let's take a look in the bedroom.
I like that. I like the fact we've got rid of the barn door.
Oh, and please let me talk to the
And I know why.
Oh, I like
But
that black.
one of
Look at the
my
black countertop, man.
complaints is both of
That
these
is
are right
gorgeous,
next to
isn't
each
it?
other.
Yeah.
What should be
Because it
over
goes
there?
with the black frame on the shower.
You can tell the difference, and plus it's more convenient.
Which one do you
Well, it's
have?
just if you,
We've got the
We've
Valor.
got the Valor, so
they don't
it's...
give here.
Oh, that's a lot nicer, isn't
Yeah.
it? They're still putting those awful mattresses in, but everybody
Yeah,
swaps them out anyway.
we
So
upgraded our mattress.
But
And the fact that what they've done is the headboard's elevated, so if you do upgrade to a deeper, thicker,
Yeah.
better mattress, you've got a bit of space.
what I had to do with mine was I had to raise mine up to this level.
Actually,
You know,
our
Valor.
headboard's not that deep. I don't
Oh
think
look,
room for it.
there's a guy in the mirror looks just like that,
Yeah.
that Andy Commons guy.
Ours is really tall.
Yeah,
I
only
don't
bumper
mind.
poles today, so
Yeah.
been hard to compare fifth wheels.
But you know, even to have a look at well, I've not seen one of the bumper pulls, so it would be nice to go in there. We're going to head over there, and
So my video is
so now we're going to go over to the Valor production facility. They're doing travel trailers today, but at least we get to see exactly where our RV was born. That'll be cool. That's our unit there, just in the yard, just waiting for a few components, and then hopefully she'll get fixed and we get her back. Sorry about the wind. These are all the new toy hauler pull behinds. Look how gorgeous they look. Absolutely stunning. Look at those graphics. Oh, we absolutely love everything about it.
I know they.
The layout, the everything. It's so really good.
Yep.
So this is a 36V11, same as ours.
That's the piece that I read about.
That's the slide screen.
Okay. So we're honoured. We're actually going to go and see the prototype with the new colours, and let's check this bad boy out. There we go. Okay, let's go see the prototype.
Triple axle. Is that what you have, triple?
No, ours is the 36V11 with the twin.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, look at that. Hey,
This is the prototype?
let's go and do this. Here we go.